We can all appreciate a spa or hot tub. It provides us with a relaxed feeling. Together with our children, family, or friends, you're able to experience a peaceful atmosphere. However, there is a downside. Bacteria and calcium float around and want to attach to the surface of the hot tub. And there's a lot of surface to attach to. This substance is called biofilm. This slimy biofilm is also seen in everyday life, for example, with a vase of flowers. Or an even better example, the film on the top of your teeth. This is why we brush our teeth. But why don't we brush the pipes in our spa? If we don't remove biofilm from the hot tub, it'll have many tedious consequences. Chlorine and bromine can kill bacteria, but they can't do this when bacteria is protected by biofilm, and chlorine and bromine can't get to it. If you don't remove biofilm and calcium, the spa components, such as filters, pumps, heaters, ozonators, or blowers, will not stand the test of time. The water will get increasingly dirty, and you'll just be adding more disinfectant. However inconvenient this may seem, there is a solution: O-Care. O-Care will prevent and remove biofilm. While less chemicals are required. Apart from the use of less chemicals, O-Care will also leave your skin extremely soft and without that dirty chemical smell. So you don't need to shower afterwards because you'll smell great. So O-Care is safe, soft, and simple. Safe because you'll use less chlorine and bromine. Soft. Your skin will feel soft and smell very nice. Simple. Just add it to the spa once a week. So O-Care will make your spa experience more natural and a lot better.